What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry if you can hear some background noise, so please ignore. But welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited for this video, you guys. As you guys can see, this look is so pretty and so fun, and I am obsessed with it. And once again, I am being sponsored by LA Girl for this video, and I am super excited to show you guys these new palettes that they just came out with, which are Main Stage and a VIP, and this is from their Desert Dream collection. Wait until you guys see these palettes, you guys. Hair is so gorgeous. I cannot. So I'm gonna definitely swatch a couple of shades from each palette so you guys can get the gist. But I'm obviously going to show you the main one that I use, which is Main Stage. This is my favorite, and look at this packaging. Their packaging is super cute. Got this mint and blue, and then these are the shades right here. These shimmers are unreal. Do you guys see that green? Obsessed. And we have VIP. I also love this packaging with the purple smoke, and this is definitely the more warm tone palette. Got your pinks and oranges and yellows and coppers in here. Super pretty. So here are some swatches of some of the shades in the Main Stage palette. These are the ones that really drew my eye. So obviously the ones that are on my lid, which are these first two right here. Aren't they beautiful? So you can definitely tell there are different formulas in here. So we have like these extreme like metallic duochromes. And then we have this more like satin-like finish, which is this beautiful like burgundy shade. And then we have one right here, which I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's like the pink one in the palette. And it's so pretty on its own, but I believe it's more of a topper if anything. So you can definitely put this on top of other colors. So yeah, this is really beautiful. And then there's like this lavender type of shade. This green though, oh my god, I cannot wait to put that all over my lid. And here's some swatches from the VIP palette, which you guys, do you see? It's like liquid metal with some of these shades. Like, oh my goodness. Are they like the most unique shades? No, but the quality is amazing. Everything. Look at this. This is insane. And then you have some nice like more soft metallic shimmers. We have one that has like more of a duochrome. So I wanted to show you these real quick because I think these are also new and a part of the collection. And these are the Dream Glitters, and they are liquid eyeshadow. So we have like this one, which is named Rose Gold, and then we have this beautiful iridescent one, which is called Iridescent Dream. So I'm going to swatch these for you guys really quick as well. So here they are swatched. We have Iridescent Dream and Rose Gold, which is obviously this beautiful rose gold shade. And then the Iridescent Dream is so pretty. It has different reflex like pink, lavender, blue, green. It's so pretty. I believe this is more of like a topper in my opinion, just to like put all over the lid, and as well as the rose gold. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys these really quick because these are so pretty as well. So those are some swatches from both palettes. What did you guys think? I think the pigmentation and the colors, they're just so beautiful. So I mainly used the Main Stage palette for this look right here. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. For the first shade that we're going to be using from the Main Stage palette, I can't get over this packaging, it's so cute. We're going to go into Wristband, which is this really pretty mint shade. Just mainly concentrating the color on the front part. How beautiful is this shade? And look how pigmented it is. I can't. For a matte mint shade, wow, so good. I'm just gonna go in with this fluffy brush to diffuse the edges right here just a little bit. So I am happy with that. Now let's move on to the next shade, which is right next to it, Sky High, which is this really pretty sky blue color. And same brush, I just kind of cleaned it off a bit, and I'm just gonna put this one right here in the middle and kind of bring those two shades together. Don't bring this one all the way out just yet. Just kind of feathering it in and stamping. Just very lightly start blending it upwards just to create that gradient. Going back with the fluffy brush again just to diffuse the edges. Trust the process, you guys. I know it looks kind of crazy. So the next shade we are going to be using, which is right underneath Sky High, is Headliner, which is this more cobalt type of blue. And this shade is super pigmented. I mean, they all are, but I was super impressed with this blue. And it's so pretty. I love the undertone that it has. So I'm just stamping this one on the outer corner and then kind of connecting it to the bottom part of the eye and making a round shape. I'm just taking the brush and slowly making little circles just so we can get that blend going. And then I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush and further blend. Went ahead and cut my crease real quick, so now we're going to dip into the beautiful shimmer shades in here. So we're going to use a lineup in Thirsty, which are these two right here. These shimmer shades are so pigmented. A little goes a long way, you guys. So be very careful because they are very soft, but that's a good thing because the less, the better, you know? Wow, this is so pretty. I love this shade. This is like a minty, like green blue reflect. It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna apply this color only about halfway of the lid. So that's lined up. Now we're gonna go into Thirsty, which is this more purpley blue toned shimmer. It's so gorgeous with all of these blues. I think this color combination just goes really well all together. So I'm just going to feather it a little bit with a lineup. That way it can have that seamless blend. And I'm just bringing Thirsty all the way back on the rest of the lid. So for the next shade I'm going to use is another shimmer shade, and it's going to go in the crease. And I know people really do not like to do that because it just doesn't look as good, but I feel like if a shimmer has enough depth in it, it can be used as a crease color. This one right here, as you can see, it's like a very deep blue purple, and I'm just going to go ahead and stamp this one on the outer edge. And I'm going to use this really like tight packed brush so I can get the most pigment. And I'm just going to kind of create also like a V shape. So I'm going to start right here first and wing it up. And then we'll further blend in a little bit where we're just getting the base down. Even on the crease, I'm just going to tap it in right here. Just be very careful because this is a very deep shade and you can easily overdo it. As you can see, there's like that harshness right here. And I'm going to go into the second transition shade that we went to, that sky blue shade, and very lightly just go over it just so I can get rid of that harshness and still have that blend. You can see it looks so much better. And going back with Headliner, that third shade, and just very lightly on the outer edges right here too to further blend. And I know it looks really harsh, but don't worry, we're going to blend everything. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Thirsty, which was that second lid shade, and kind of go over the purple just so it can blend and keep also like that winged kind of effect. Just very lightly further blend everything. I went ahead and finished the rest of my face off camera and applied my lashes. So let's go ahead and finish off this look with the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with two more shimmer shades from the palette. I'm going to go in with this really dark blue shimmery shade called Backstage, and then this pretty shimmery purple in the shade Merch. Going in with Backstage first, being really careful with this shade because it is a shimmer, so there will be some fallout. But just make sure to tap off your brush. I'm going to go into Merge, which is that really pretty purple. Now to give it that little blend underneath, I'm going to go in with Sky Blue, which is that second transition shade, the one that we used on our lid. I'm going to put that very lightly under here. For the waterline, I'm going to use one of the pastel dream liners that LA Girl has as well. I have all of them right here and they're so good, you guys. I love their neon ones. Just all of their liners in general, they're such great quality. And I love this lavender shade, and it's just called Lavender. And I'm going to use this color just so I can incorporate more purple just to go with the lower lash line. Since the main stage palette doesn't have like an inner corner highlight that I would like, I'm going to go into the VIP palette, which is this really pretty warm tone shade, and I'm going to go into Guest List. Put this in the inner corner. Oh, wow. Super pigmented. It's so pretty. Alright, so that completes this look using the new main stage palette from LA Girl from their Desert Dream collection. What do you guys think? I really love how this look turned out. I always say that, but this is just so fun, and I know it's not super wearable, but this is their festival vibes type of collection. I think this is really fun, and I love this palette. This is one of my favorites that they have come out with so far. I just love my colors. So this is so pretty. I love the color story. It's kind of unique in its own way because it does have its purples and greens, but the undertone is what really sets the whole entire palette off, as far as like there's not a lot of these type of shimmery type of blues and purples. This neon like green color, I cannot wait to use this. I know you're probably hoping that I try it out, but I've seen other looks where they've used that shade, so I wanted to go into something more different, so I went for the teal blues this time and a little bit of the purple, and I really like how this whole like look turned out. The combinations that you can do with this palette is endless. Like I said, I love this color story. It's very unique to my collection, so I'm definitely going to be reaching for this a lot more, and the quality is just chef's kiss. I love the metallics and shimmers in here. They're unreal. They are so pigmented, you barely need anything, and they're just amazing. The mattes are really nice as well. They're easy to build up and blend, so I really love this palette. I can't wait to use this palette more. I think my next look trying this palette out, I'm gonna definitely go into this green right here. It's just like calling my name. It looks so fun, and I can't wait to use like these burgundy pink colors. They look gorgeous. Do you see that? Oh my god, this palette is unreal. And the other palette, which is the VIP palette, I only used one shade from this palette, as you guys saw. So if you guys want me to do another look just using this palette, please let me know down below and I can do that for you guys. So this is the beautiful warm tone palette for my warm lovers out there. I just love the yellows, these rose gold, like they're just so pretty. I love both of these palettes, but I have to say the main stage is the main. Like, it is so good. I love these palettes. So both of these palettes and the other things from the collection will be available in Ulta stores and online, and also on lagirl.com. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave in the comments down below if you guys would like me to use the VIP palette as well, and I can do that for you. And also I want to say a thank you once again to LA Girl for sponsoring this video. I love working with you guys, so thank you guys so much for giving me this opportunity. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.